Hi, I'm Fabio. I also provide software for third party, I build CMS, I can help you with your code. Let's see what I can do for you.
You have an idea or you need help to build a project for your client. My know-how is at your disposal, from design to build. Some of the services I offer, such as creation of ad hoc CMS, content management system, backend, server, app, desktop, web, game, 2D, 3D, AR, VR, video 360, video VR, software hardware integration, and also supporting your code. I'm not the user IT consultant that just speaks. I design and build for you in first person. And in case you need a resource or a team, I can call my colleagues or my best students and build the team for you. For all the info, just send me an email.